Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Stihl 028 woodboss, a very popular chainsaw, 47 cc's, 2.87 cubic inch, power head that weighs 11.5 pounds. This one features a 20-inch sprocket nose bar, 3/8 pitch, very popular combination. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features this saw has. Master control on the left side here. Off is in the up position. Then we have run, full choke, high idle on the bottom, and then just high idle right there. Operator presence lever. It's a great feature. You won't throttle up unless you have your hand in place. And we've talked about these hand protectors and the foot pad, and this has one. Functions as a hand protector when the chain throws, helps protect your hand. Doubles as a foot pad when starting this on the ground. Put your foot in the area there. Get a good grip on the handlebar, and you can start this high compression engine up. Working chain brake. And to adjust the tension on the bar, loosen the two bar nuts up. And on this side here, you can see the tension screw right there, right in here. Low tone muffler. Just a very popular chainsaw, good running chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.